Okay. Sorry for the disturbance, students. As you know, technology, little bit here and there, technical issues. So please bear with me. Yeah. So we were on the topic coming back to the denominator 82. So as I told you, whenever you don't have any number beyond the two-digit number, always consider taking a zero. So we'll move forward and look 82 under the column 0. So I'll just share the screen with you all. Yeah. So everyone can see the number 82 over here. Okay. Now 82 we'll observe it under 0. So here is the number 82 under 0. So the digit we get is 9138. Again, there is no mean difference column over here, so we'll ignore this particular column. So 9138, we'll write it over here, 9138. So we got the mantissa part. Okay. Now, after getting the mantissa part, the part is easy. You have to just subtract. So 10 minus 8 will give you 2. Remaining 3 minus 3 gives you a 0. 4 minus 1 gives you a 3. Now 4 and 9. So we have to borrow 14 minus 9. So 14 minus 9 will give you a 5 over here. 0.3 was remaining because as we borrowed, so 3 minus 1, 2. As I told you all yesterday, put it in a bracket and write the word A over here. A stands for antilog. Okay. So is this much part clear? Numerator digits, don't worry, we'll be solving 2-3 sums today. So you'll get a little bit of idea what is going on. So here's the antilog table in front of you. For antilog, I had told you all, we always see after the decimal. So after the decimal, you have to check the figures. So again, pay attention. The sum goes here. Okay. So after the decimal, the logic is again 211. तो हम लोग देखेंगे 53.53 को under the column 0, ठीक है, and mean difference का column. Now this time mean difference column will come. So mean difference column 2 में देखेंगे हम. So 0.53 under 0 is 3388. Okay, this is the number 3388 plus. If we go forward continuing with the same digit, under mean difference column, you'll find 2. So 53 under 0, mean difference 2. So 3388, 3388 and mean difference 2. Always you have to add the mean difference. Okay? So 3388 plus 22 will give you 3390 because 8 plus 2 is 10. So we got the answer to be 3,390. This is what the answer we got. So that is not the final answer yet. Last step is still remaining. So be with me. 3390. Okay. So 3390. I'll write it this side because there's little space left over there. 3390. Now the last part is, remember here 4 and 1 करते समय 1 subtract किया था हमने. You have to add back that 1 again here before the decimal. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now this 3 का मतलब is starting from front 1, 2, 3. 3 digit के बाद you'll be putting the decimal. So I'll put the decimal over here. So my answer is 339.0. So this is the answer. We'll just check in textbook what they have shown the answer to be as. Yeah, now one more thing, keep in mind, little bit here and there is okay. See, the answer is 340.2 and we got 339, which is close to 340. 340.2 is as good as 340. So little bit here and there is okay, but by log you'll get exact answer. Keep that in mind. So in this way, we'll be solving today's sums. Yeah. So here is the answer, 340.24. Little bit here and there I told you is acceptable. 339 is also correct, and 340, with the help of log you'll get the same answers and exact answers. So you can try it out yourself. You can try 1-2 solved examples with the help of log. Again, in 2-3 sums I'll be making you all solve the log part again. All right. So moving towards the exercise part. So yesterday we completed 1 to 9, 10, 10 sums, I guess. So today I'm starting with, sorry, 1 to 8, I guess. 8, yeah, 8 and 9. So we are starting with, yeah, see the heading. Find the value index number using simple aggregative method in each of the following. The question you can see here, it is commodity, base year price, base year quantity, current year price, current year quantity. So again, as I told you, in this case, we will be preparing 2 extra columns. Okay. So here is the screen. Yeah. So as you can see, I have made 2 extra columns, P0, Q0, P1, Q1. So first we'll multiply P0 into Q0. 13 to 22, 660, 14 to 16, 640. In this way, you will multiply and get all the numbers. In the same way, P1, Q1, 14 to 18, 16 to 12, 15 into 24. This side, all the numbers you will get. Then you will add both of them. After adding, you'll put the formula. V01 is equal to summation P1, Q1 upon summation P0, Q0 into 100. 3660 upon 2840 into 100. Then as you all see, I have cancelled the zeros. 3660 0. So it will become 36,600 upon 284. Again, one more sum I'll help you to solve. Again, we'll solve this sum with the help of logarithms. So what was the number? 36,600 divided by 284. Okay, so we'll solve this by log. 36,600. Okay, so I'll just solve it here. Y'all will also do it along with me so that you will understand how to solve it. At least solve one sum together with me. Yeah, so 36,600 divided by 284. This is the figure. Okay. So again, first step is always remove the characteristic. So there are 5 numbers on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 1, 4 point. So 4 point. In the denominator, you have 3 numbers. 3 minus 1, 2 point. And always we'll be subtracting it because division sign gets converted into minus. Now we have to divide it into 4 parts. 2, 1, 1. Then leave out the extra part. There's no need to consider it. So we'll see number 36 under the column 6 over here in this case. तो हम 36 को column number 6 में देखेंगे because the logic says so. 211 का logic है ना, तो उस हिसाब से. So here is the number 36, 6th column. So don't get confused. There is 0 का column. Be very careful while looking for the numbers. So 36 under the column 6. Here you go 5635. Okay. Mean difference आएगा नहीं because यहाँ पे 0 का column है. So mean difference won't come here. 5635. So I'll write here 5635. Okay. यहाँ तक clear हो गया. Again in denominator 211 का logic है, but again mean difference नहीं आएगा. So we have 3 numbers which is okay. So we'll observe 28 under 4th column. Number 28 under column number 4 here. 4533. So I'll write here 4533. Okay. So now the easy part comes, which you all are comfortable at, subtracting. So 5 minus 3, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 4 is also 1. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So we put this in a bracket and we write the alphabet A over here. Is this much clear? I hope today little bit you'll be finding easy the logarithm working. Because of the writing issue, maybe it's taking a little bit of time because I'm writing it with the help of the mouse, you can see. So bear me with that particular mistake. Otherwise, you all can do much faster than me. Okay. So coming back again to the anti-log table now, we have to go towards the anti-log table. So for anti-log table, we need the number 11 now. After the decimal, we have to see. Okay. So here it goes. Okay. So the logic remains the same. After decimal, you have to see 211 का logic अपनाना है अपने फिर से. So we'll be looking at 11, 0 and 2. Okay. So 11, 0 and 2. Before that, just let me erase this. Otherwise, you'll be getting confused. इतने सारे markings एक साथ दिखाने हो रहे. Okay. So moving forward. All right. So 0.11 under 0. So here is 0.11 under 0 and mean difference ka column is 2. So same line if we go forward, mean difference column 2 you'll find the number 1. All right. So the answer I'll be writing it over here. So we got the answer as 1288 1288 plus 1 because I told you all mean difference we add. Okay, plus 1, the mean difference wala part, as you can see this side. So it gives me 1289. 1288 plus 1 will give me 1289. All right. The last part in this we have to add back the 1 which we subtracted in the start. So 2 plus 1 you get 3. Okay. 2 plus 1 you get 3. So 3 digits के बाद decimal डालना है 1 2 3 starting from the first. So your answer is 128.9. So let us check whether we have got the same answer or not as per the solving. Okay. So here is the answer 128.87 which is as good as 128.9. So you all saw here. So here goes the answer. Is the screen visible? All right. So the answer is 128.87 which is 128.9. So followed how the log working goes today. See, we were little bit faster compared to yesterday. And I hope if you all practice in the same manner, you'll be able to do it within seconds. Okay. The next sum number 11 is the same type. Commodity P0, Q0, P1, Q1. The same pattern you're following in this sum as well. So I won't take much time in this sum. And I'll not do the working of this one now. I'll leave it to y'all to practice with the help of log and check whether you get the same answer as I've written over here. Okay. So with this value index number gets over. Remaining 2 sums are there. We'll finish off with it fast. They are much more easier also. So coming to the 12th sum. Now in this, what's the question? Just see. Sum number 12. Find x if price index number by simple aggregative method is 125. So as you all can see, there's a number missing over here, missing frequency. But price index number आपके पास दिया हुआ है. Now price index number means it is denoted by P01. Yesterday we solved the first 7 sums. So in this case, P01 is given to be 125. And you have to find the missing value, that is x. Okay. So sum is very easy. Again, just you have to put formula for price index number. So here is the solution. Commodity P0, P1. First you will do the total of P0 and P1. So what's the total? 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 22 plus 18. The total comes to 76. Coming to the right side, 12, 18, x, 28, 22. Now keep one thing in mind. जब भी आप add करोगे, x is an alphabet. It's a variable. You cannot add it along with numbers. तो 80 plus x रखना है उसको. ये बात ध्यान में रखना। P01 is equal to 125, ये तो आप लोगों को ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में. So we'll put the formula of price index number. Price index number बोलता है P01 is equal to summation P1 upon summation P0 into 100. तो P01 के नीचे you'll write 125. Summation of P1 was 80 plus X, okay, upon 76 into 100. Now, whenever you have such variables and numbers together, I'll advise you all to always put them in bracket like this, because bracket means one term. One term matlab whenever you see plus and minus, don't go for cancelling. जैसे 80 or 76 दिख गया, हाँ चलो we'll cut it and finish off the sum. No, don't do that. Whenever you have a plus sign, you cannot cancel. Plus और minus जब भी आएगा, आप cancellation division नहीं कर सकते. वो चीज ध्यान रखना. जहां तक 76 और 100 की बात है, yes, you can cancel because there is a sign of multiplication over here. Understood? Be very careful with these sums. So what I have done is simple logic. We'll do cross multiply. So what I have done is 76 I've transferred that side because cross हो रहा है, and 100 was in the numerator, so cross होके it went into the denominator. So this is the easy method, easy step which you can also follow. Easy method and easy step which you can follow. All right? Yeah. So 80 plus X in the bracket. I have not touched it also. It is in the bracket itself. So by 25 ka table, I have cancelled. 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are 125, 4 ones are 4, 19s are 76. Now you can open the bracket at this step because now you have got a single digit over here. 19 fives are gives you 95. So 95 minus 80, X is equal to 50. Sum simple, done. All right, good. Continuing with the last sum finally of this exercise. Again, we'll just have a look at the question. Now in this case, I guess the same method has been utilized. Not much difference, I guess. Yeah. Sum number 13. Question is the same, only the numbers are changed over here. So in this case, as you can see, price index number is 120. Now you have to find the value of Y. Here is the missing frequency. So the same logic, 95, 80, 35 gives you 210 plus Y, 116, 74, 92, 42, 324. You'll put the formula P01 is equal to summation P1 upon summation P0 into 100. So 120 is equal to 324 upon 210 plus Y into 100. So you'll remember what I told you all. Whenever you'll see the alphabet part, just put it in the bracket. So what I'll do is I'll just put it in bracket over here, so that it will remind you कि अभी cutting नहीं करनी है, उसको आपको cutting करते समय consider नहीं करना है. Okay? Yeah. All right. So continuing with the same step further. So 210 plus Y will remain in the bracket itself. We'll not cut it. Again, the logic which I followed was cross multiply. Now in this case, 210 plus Y ये side आ गया, and 120 जो इस side था, left side में था, वो नीचे आ गया. All the other two are that side only. That is 324 into 100. I have not at all done anything to them. So cross multiply. 210 plus Y came this side and 120 came this side. So again the cutting 0, 0 I have cancelled. 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10, 6 1s are 654s are. Okay. So 210 plus Y, now you can open the bracket, is equal to 270. 270 minus plus will get converted into minus. This side shift ho jayega 210. So Y is equal to 60. Okay. So with this, the first exercise gets over here. Now I request everybody to please practice and make a separate notebook for maths 1. Not a separate notebook. You can divide the notebook into two halves. Section 1 and section 2. Keep practicing so that it will be easier for you all to understand the concept. So before I wind off with the session, as I told you all, log you should practice because it will make the working easier for you. Otherwise, it will be a bit difficult for you all to understand. So for that purpose, I have just made an assignment. I'm giving you assignment, not very big one. There are three sums in the form of division as you get the final answer. So I have given you all three sums to practice. Those who want can practice and check the answers. We can discuss those answers in the next session. So you all be ready with the answers, and I'll be just disclosing you all the answers so you all can check whether you all followed or whether you're getting the same answers or not. Okay. So for practice, you can take this. Again, tomorrow, I'll give you all the next session part. We'll be starting with the next exercise, exercise 5.2. So till then, stay safe. But yes, do practice. Otherwise, you won't understand anything. And please listen to the videos. Even if you all are going to classes, whatever, it will be just kind of revision for you all to just hear and understand some tricks, so that it will be easier for you all to practice and have fun while studying. Okay. So, okay, students, we'll wind off with the session for today. All right.